Hello everyone, you are watching Lala's Creations Jewelry. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a ear cuff with 18 gauge enamel copper wire. The length of the ear cuff should be 2.5 inches or 7 centimeter. It's a very simple design. Anyone can make this, I think. Now my base is ready. I already made another cuff, and now I am going to decorate the ear cuff. Some 4 mm crystal beads and some of the oval shaped or drop shaped crystal beads, which are approximately 4 by 6 mm. Now I am going to wrap the base wire with 26 gauge. Now I am going to insert some drop shaped crystals here like leaves. So I am going to insert the drop shaped crystal, and now I am twisting a little, not very hard but just a little. It makes the shape of the leaf firm. Now I am adding another leaf here. There is some space. Make the leaves in the same way. Twist a little and then wrap it. Now I'm going to add a leaf here. In this time I am not wrapping in the same method. It is a simple wrapping, you can see here, because I don't want to spread the design here. I'm just closing the design. Now I am going to make a flower on the top of my design. Here I used 2 crystals. Here is my open end, so you have to wrap the other side of the wire. I am inserting 5 crystals here. After making the flower, you have to wrap this wire tightly. Now my air cup is ready for wear. That's all for today. If you like my designs or my work, please like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestion, please give comments and stay with me. Follow my channel. Thank you for today. Tata. Take care.